Hello little ones. So welcome back to your EVS class, and in our today's EVS class we are going to learn chapter 12 safety. We have already completed safety at school and safety on road and safety in public places. Okay, this is the last page of safety, the chapter safety at home. Okay, now ma'am is teaching this at last because this is safety at home. Okay, now this is one page and there are several pictures shown. In this picture it's being shown that there are some household things. Okay, which one you should touch, or these are dangerous, or which you can handle. Okay, safety at home means beta you should be safe everywhere, at home, at public places, in school, everywhere safety is very necessary. Okay, why safety is necessary? To save yourself, to protect yourself from injury or getting hurt or meeting any accidents. Okay, we should always be protected. You should always take care of yourself so that you don't get hurt. So there are some things or some objects at home also which you should not touch. So let's come to the first picture. This is, what is this? I know that you know this is an press iron. Okay, so you should never touch this electric iron when your parents are ironing clothes. Okay, or if the iron is done, still the iron is very hot, so you should not touch this iron as it is hot and you can burn yourself. Okay, so you should never touch this electric iron. Now the second thing is, coming to the second picture, this is a plug. Okay, this is a plug of anything. It can be of music system, TV, radio, microwave, anything. You should never touch this plug point. Okay, because this is the plug point and this is the main point from where the electricity gets into the electronic item. If you are going to put your finger here, you can get electric shock. Okay, so you should not touch this plug also. So cross out this iron, cross out this plug. Now what is this? This is cutlery set and scissors. Okay, in all of your kitchens this cutlery set is present. Knife, spoons, this is fork, scissor. Okay, these are all sharp things. Except spoon, you can't touch anything. Not fork. If you are used to able to eat with fork, then you can, but you should never touch scissors or knife. Okay, these are all sharp things, you can cut yourself, so cross this also. Or if you are using scissor, then use it in the supervision of your elders. Okay, now what is this? This is a burning candle. Yes, you should never touch a candle also. Why? Because this is fire and you can burn yourself. This is matchstick, it can burn you. So you should never touch fire also, or a burning candle. When a candle burns, the wax melts and it falls down. If you are going to touch the wax also, means a drop of hot wax dropped on your finger, then you can burn with that hot wax also. Okay, so not play with the matchstick or the candle either. Burning candle, I'm not talking about unburned candle, means normal candle. I'm talking about burning candle. If electricity is not there and your parents have lighted a candle, you should never touch that candle. Okay, so cross this also. Now this is, what is this? Pesticides. This is a cockroach killing pesticides, or we have a mosquito repellent or a cockroach repellent. This is cockroach or mosquito repellent. Okay, these are also very dangerous, harmful. You should not touch this. Okay, these are all poisons. Mosquitoes and cockroach, they die when you spray this to them. So if you are going to touch it or by mistake it is sprayed on you, so this is poison, it may harm you. That is why you should not touch pesticides also. Okay, now you can see here some medicines. Okay, so you should also not touch the medicines also, because you don't know whose medicine is this. It may be your grandparents or your father or mother, and for what cause they are taking the medicine, that also you don't know. Okay, when your mother gives you medicine when you are sick, then that's okay, but you should never play with the medicines also. Okay, and never eat or swallow any kind of medicine that you don't know without asking your parents, because this can act as a poison in your body. Okay, cross it then.